It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning ducks, morning sheep. Morning Honk the car. What was that? Thinks Honk. What mysterious creature is speeding through Springland? There's Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Does Swoosh Swoosh know? It's a puppy dog. Springland has a new friend. Woof, woof. What's your name, doggy? Asked Swoosh Swoosh. I know. We'll call you Woofie. Woofie the dog, calls Honk. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh decide to go and tell Toot about their new friend. Oh dear, Woofie is still just a pup. He needs proper training. There's Toot the boat. Luckily, Toot knows about dogs. Don't play so rough, Woofie, complains Honk. Woofie is still a puppy and gets very excited.
Honk,
Warns Toot.
you must not make Woofie too excited by honking all the time.
Toot explains that every puppy needs to be kept calm, be well looked after, and taught how to behave.
Woofie is not allowed on the road,
Explains Toot the boat.
Roads are very dangerous for dogs.
Honk has a very good idea. A new game for Woofie. Sit, Woofie, shouts Honk. Honk is teaching Woofie how to look after the sheep.
Do we really have to play this game?
Complains Lolly the lamb. Honk explains that Woofie needs to learn to do things and that the new game will be fun. The sheep decided to play. Honk's plan was working. Woofie was learning to herd sheep, and he was getting more and more tired. Good dog, Woofie, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Thank you, sheep, for playing with Woofie and wearing him out. Honk tells Toot and Wally all about how they taught Woofie to herd sheep. Tomorrow, I am going to teach Woofie how to fetch a ball, says Honk. That should keep him nice and busy. Have fun, everybody.